Wanna make it till morning. Hello amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm super excited this afternoon. You know why? Because my husband just came back from Nigeria, so with a lot of goodies, which I'll be showing you guys. Like, this is almost 3 weeks plus my husband traveled to Nigeria. Like, I've been battling with the kids all alone, like, since 3 weeks plus. Yeah, I'm a superwoman. What do you think? So I'm going to be showing you guys, like, things that he brought. Oh my god, it's a lot. As you can see from here, let me just go closer so that you guys can see it, like, very well. And we're going to be opening it together as well so that we can see what is inside. Okay, yeah. I'm just over ready for this Christmas. Honestly, I'm over ready. Yeah, so let me show you guys. Let's start from here. This is peanuts. I think we have almost like 3 bottles here for peanuts. Yeah, 3 bottles. And then this is a fried okra, and this is cashew nuts. We have 2 bottles of cashew nuts, and then I have started already eating the okra, guys, as you can see. So let me go ahead and open it so that you guys can see, like, everything that is inside. So, like, I don't have any space here. Let me just remove it so that you can see space, okay? So this one here is pepper soup sauce, okay? 2 bottles. So where do we start? Let's start from, I think all these ones are fish. In here, this is fish. This is the smoked fish, I believe. Yeah, I will be putting it here because I want to put it in oven so that I can dry it a little bit before I should go ahead and put it in the freezer. So I believe that this one here is also smoked fish. My gosh, guys, look here. This is big. Oh my, and this is so fresh, guys. Despite that, I was still going to put it in the oven. Okay. Oh god, this is so fresh. Look here, guys. And then, so this is another one. So this one here is another type. Let me keep it here. This is another one. Wow. Even if I did not put it in the oven, it's still fresh, so nice, so fresh and so dry. This is the next one. I think I need this is another batch. So because of this one here, I don't know whether you guys are seeing it, this one here is already full. So I went ahead and bring this strain, and I'll be pouring all of them here. This is really plenty, guys. This man really go market. Hey, and the good thing about all these fish, they smell so fresh and well dried. Okay, I need to take another tray. So yeah, this one is okay. This man really go markets. Okay, this one is bonga fish. This one is also, I think this one is also bonga. Let's see, guys. Oh, wow. Since this tray is already full, I brought out another one that I'll be placing here. So this one here is shrimps. Wow. We have crayfish here. So this one is another batch. And then we have this. So crayfish is 3 here. First of all, let me remove this one first so that I can see space to do other things. This is container I normally use to put my crayfish. Okay, look at the remaining crayfish I have here. So I'm going to be putting like some crayfish, the one that I'm using in the kitchen. So the rest will be in the freezer, yeah. Let me cover it, then put it by the side. The rest I'm going to be putting them here in the tray before I should go ahead and pack them like the way I want it. This particular one, I'll be leaving it here. This one here is open. Let me put it here. This one is bitter leaf. Let me open everything so that I'll show you, so that this video will not be too long, okay? Yeah. So I went ahead and opened everything so that I will not waste you guys like time. Look at my favorite here. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Hey, this is pear, guys. Apart from all this, like all of them is very, very important. So, but this one now, I'm going to be starting from this one. Look at, we have pear here. Okay. Yeah, let me just put it aside so that we can have a lot of space. And this is egusi. Normally here in our house, even my husband, we don't normally eat egusi. So this is a banga, okay, fresh one. And inside here we have obono, we have ora. Let's look at how fresh they are. And then we have okasio, otasio, uzuza. Everything is in here, guys. This is so plenty. We have ogri here, and this one is ogri as well. This is another oguri. Oh, plenty oguri here. Let me put it aside, please. And this is a oguri ekbe, the dry one. And this is a piriwenki, guys. We have a grounded pepper, and this one is grounded Cameroon pepper. We have otase here, and all these ones, they are bitter leaf. This one's here. This one is grounded achi, and this is abacha. And guys, look at this one. This one plenty. This one is oba. This one is oba, guys, and all that. Like they are plenty. I still have some things down there that I have not opened. Like my kitchen is full. I don't have any other space, guys. Like this is plenty. Oh gosh, look here, guys. Let me just show you guys. This one looks like a market. My husband really tried. This is gonna serve us like too long. So guys, this is the huge unboxing for Christmas. I'm super excited. My freezer is gonna full again. Look at this side. This side is also full. Like everywhere in my kitchen, everywhere is just like everywhere is. So guys, like if I start packing and arranging with you guys, this is gonna take like too long. That's why I need to, like, my kitchen is already messed up with Nigeria stuff, and I need to arrange, I need to package and put them in the freezer. This is a huge unboxing for Christmas. Oh, Nigeria stuff. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Okay, let me just start work, okay. Bye for now, guys. Bye.